In this video, I'm going to reveal how I made $17,932 in affiliate marketing using Google Maps to connect with businesses. This strategy is a gold mine for anyone looking to break it into affiliate marketing and earn commissions by promoting services to local businesses. First, I'll explain how to find high demand services that businesses like hotels and restaurants are searching for. Next, I'll show you how to use Google Maps to pinpoint the perfect businesses to target in your niche. After that, I'll walk you through my step-by-step outreach process, including the exact template I use to pitch services and close deals. By the end of this video, you will have a complete blueprint to start earning commissions by helping businesses grow. If you are ready to discover how to turn Google Maps into money-making machine for affiliate marketing, let's get started. This is my affiliate account dashboard, and I have been doing this business for over 5 years. I'm making over $15,000 every single month. In this video, I'm gonna share with you the method that I use with Google Maps. Okay. So for people who are new to my YouTube channel and they want to start making money with affiliate marketing, step number one, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. So what you will do, it's so easy and simple. Go to Google and search for this website for Fiverr. Click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this. Go to company and click here on affiliates so you can join Fiverr affiliates. Okay, and here you go, you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliates website. You guys can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever because they are really paying good commissions. Okay, anyway, go back to this page here, click on join now, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. And as you can see guys, sign up process is super easy and simple. You just need to put your first name, your last name, email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can say no. Choose your country, your location, it doesn't matter. You can start this business from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, any country. Okay, and just choose your language from here. And if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your dashboard account. You should see commissions here, clicks, CTR, and so on. So what you will do next is you need to choose which services you will start promoting on Google Map, okay? And which businesses will be interested to buy those services from you, okay? So pay close attention, please. What you will do next, you will go and open your Google Map account like this, okay? Open Google Map like this, click on the search for hotels in United States, okay? And focus on those countries, United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, okay? Those, because hotels from those countries, they will pay for this service. Okay, anyway, search for hotels in United States, scroll down, and here you go, you will find a lot of hotels here. Okay, we have this one from here, you guys can see this one here. Just click on any hotel that you want to target, for example, that you want to use, and you should see this bar. This is the hotel, and if you scroll down, it's from United States. They have a phone number and they have a website. Okay, so pay close attention. What you will do is you will go and focus on those hotels that are here, that are not ranking good in, like those hotels that are ranking number one in on Google Map. Okay, you will scroll down and focus on those hotels that are not ranking good. Okay, so let me explain more. I'm gonna choose, for example, a hotel here. Let me scroll down. For example, I'm gonna choose like this one. Okay, I will click on this one, Grand Syria Resort. this hotel, like this one, guys. You see this one. If we scroll down, they have phone number and they have website. So like this hotel that isn't ranking good, it's not ranking in the first here. Okay, so this one will be interested to buy this service. Let me show you. Go to Fiverr, go to your homepage on Fiverr and click on the search and search for Google My Business. Okay, search for this service. Scroll down, you will find a lot of sellers here who are providing this service. So this service is about helping those hotels to rank in the first page of Google Map. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to choose good sellers. How we can choose good sellers? Choose level 1, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, and pro sellers. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna choose like one from those. I'm gonna choose, for example, like this one. This one is pro seller. I will skyrocket your local SEO, Google Business, and GMB ranking. This one is good. I'm gonna choose this one is pro seller. Just click on the service that you want to use and you will be directly in this seller profile page. This is the proof this service is working. 24 orders in queue, meaning that those local, you see, local businesses, they are paying for this service to rank their hotel in the first page of Google Map. Okay, and it's already working. You guys can see. So this seller will help people rank, will help those, let's go back. So this seller will help those hotels who are not ranking good to rank in the first page here. Okay, to rank with those hotels that are ranking number 1 and number 2 and number 3. Okay, this is exactly what this service will do for those local businesses, for those hotels. Okay, so what you will do, you will copy the profile link of this seller, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click here on your dashboard. You have marketing tools, you have reports, payments, post back. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, this link, you will use this link, Fiverr Pro new plan, you will use this one. So for you guys, if you just started this business and you have new account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan. Because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for over 5 years, like I said, and I'm still doing this business and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. So you just need to copy your affiliate link from here. Okay, so what I will do next, I will go, before we copy our affiliate link, we will go back to Google Map, okay, to this restaurant, okay, to this one, sorry, to this hotel that is not ranking good on Google Map, and we will scroll down. We have their phone number. So if you speak English, you can pick a call, okay, and call this hotel and ask them that you are providing Google Map service to help them rank in the first page and they are not ranking good, and you can help them with this service. If you don't speak English, that's fine. You can go and check their website. I will click on their website like this. Just click on their website. You should find maybe their email or Instagram or Facebook or social media account. Okay, use user cookies, please allow cookies. Okay, I'm gonna click on this one. Okay, so what I will do next, let me show you. We have, okay, let me see, they have phone number here. I will scroll down and I will see if they have email or social media account. So I will scroll down into their website like this. We have Google here, we have Facebook, they have Facebook, but I will scroll down more to see. And here you go. Okay, you guys can see here we have contact us. Okay, we have this option. This is exactly what I'm searching for. I will click on this one and you will be to this page. Okay, so let me see if we can find their email here or a way that we can send a message to this hotel. Okay, and you guys can see here we have this form. we have this option topic. I'm gonna choose, let me see, marketing media, marketing event sales. I'm gonna choose this one, marketing media. Okay, and you can put your first name here. For example, I'm gonna put think smart, and you need to put your email here that you will use. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna put my email address here, this email subject. I will, so now it's time to create a professional message that we will send to this hotel about Google Map service. Okay, that will help them to rank first, to rank their hotels in the first page. Okay, so what I will do to create a professional message, I will go and I will use ChatGPT. It's super easy and it's for free. Go to Google, search for ChatGPT, and sign up using your email address. This AI website will help you to create a professional emails and messages that you can send to those hotels. Okay, click here and ask him a professional create a professional create a professional message that I can send to hotels that are not ranking that are not ranking good in Google Map. Okay, to buy my to buy this service. Okay, this one, Google My Business. Okay, to buy this one. Okay, so what you will do, go to buy Google My Business. Okay, service from my website. Okay, and I will just click here, and ChatGPT will create an amazing and professional message that you can send to this hotel. Okay, you see this? Boost your hotel visibility and improve Google Map ranking. This is your subject. Copy the subject, go back to this hotel website, put subject here. Okay, message, go back to ChatGPT, and what you will do next, you will copy this message. Okay, you can put your name, you can edit this message, and you have also, let me show you, we have also here your website. You will put your affiliate link here. So let me just copy this message like this, and I will go back to this hotel website and I will send this message like this. Okay, I need to put my affiliate link here. Okay, so I'm gonna delete this. So here I need to put my affiliate link. Let me show you. So what I will do, what you need to do next, just go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Okay, and what you will do, you just need to copy your affiliate link. So this is your affiliate link, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy this affiliate link from here. This affiliate link is too much long. I will make it short link to make it more professional and branding. I can use this website. You guys can go to Google and search for this website if you want to make your affiliate links short links. Just put your affiliate link and click on shorten, and here you go. I will copy, go back to this hotel website, and I will put my affiliate link here. So they can check this seller website. Okay, and here you go. You have a professional message that you can send. Hey, my name is, I'm gonna put for example here Justin. Okay, I will scroll down to see if I can edit something here, and I think it's everything is good now. Let me see. Okay, I'm gonna click here so they can send a copy to email, and they will click on submit, and my message will be sent to this Thanks for submitting the form. Okay, we want to thank you in advance to taking time to fill out form below. Your opinion matter. And here you go, your message will be sent to this hotel. They will get back to you in your email if they are really serious and they want to rank their hotel in the first page here in the to rank their hotel name in the first page of Google Map. And like I said, don't go to those hotels that are already ranking. Go and search for hotels that are not ranking in the first here. Okay, and you have a lot of hotels. You guys also can try this business in your country. Okay, search for hotels inside your country. Okay, you have hotels, restaurants, coffee, clothing stores, and so much more inside your country. And you will find that they are already on Google Map. You can find their phone number. If they have phone number, you can speak your language. Okay, you speak the language of your country, so you can pick a phone and call this business and ask them that you are offering this service. Also, you can offer them a website to create a website for their businesses, to run ads for their businesses, and you have so much services just inside your country. You can make some commissions. Okay, you will get some hotels and some businesses that will be interested to buy those services from you, and that's it. This is exactly how you can promote services on Google Map to local businesses, and that's how you can make money with affiliate marketing. It's a really an easy method that you guys can use. Okay, you don't need to invest any money on ads. You can use this method to start earning commissions. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, leave it in the comments. For people who are asking, like I said, for who are asking, do you have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. If you are interested, feel free to reach out to me in my email address in my description. Inside my course, you will get more tools, more advanced methods, and so much more. You will get access to all my profitable services that I'm promoting, and really affiliate marketing can change your life. And by the way, I'm not using just Google Map. I'm using Pinterest, YouTube Shorts, YouTube long videos, Instagram, TikTok, and so much more. I have everything inside my course. If you are interested, feel free to reach out. And of course, those methods that I'm sharing on YouTube, they are working. A lot of people are reaching out to me in my email. I'm getting a lot of emails every single day from people who made commissions and start making money with these methods that I'm sharing for free inside my YouTube channel. If you are new, you can go and check my YouTube channel. I shared a lot of free methods that you can start with. Okay, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next videos.